let's walk through that. So first we're in neutral position, brakes on, I'm not going anywhere. Give a little throttle for initial, make sure my PTO is not going to run, lights aren't going to run, etc. And start her up. Raise it up, or lower it down, so we can raise the tire up. Okay, so I'm lowered, this is loose, this is tight. Pull it out, in, pull it out, okay. Lower it down. Begin to raise the motor. That will pull it off, as you can see. So eventually, once that makes contact, it'll lift it all up. Yeah, leaves a nice mark on the cement. This is life. I'll go a little further. Alright, that's enough. Okay. I'm going to shut her down. Release the tension, so I'm grabbing this and wiggling it, make sure there's no tension in the lines, and then we're just going to pop and seal so the oil's not coming back out. Pop, and where are you? Seal it up so don't lose too much. Repeat, repeat, repeat. I'm plenty dirty, as you can see. It's because I use the heck out of mine. I don't get as many opportunities to clean it. You don't want too much dirt in your hydraulic line, otherwise you're going to be cleaning lots, replace the fluid more often, cause damage, etc. So keep these ends as clean as you can. So rather than have you watch me do that, I'll just go ahead and show you what I'm doing next, which is hang this guy up here. Whoops. And then we're ready to back out and go mow the lawn.